Thank you for clicking on my video. Before we get into this video, be sure to subscribe. The first thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna do a quick blowout. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is a really quick flat iron. And just to let you know, before I did this quick blowout, previously I had did a thorough blowout and a thorough flat iron. I'm gonna use this ombre braiding hair that I've had laying around. Okay, this is the whole entire pack. It comes with another one like this. I'm just gonna like split it in half. For anyone that don't know how to, you know, divide it into three, I just split a smaller portion from a smaller portion from the piece that I split in half, and then I just go under and connect the small portion together. So the small portion is going to be one, and then the bigger portion is split into two, like so. All right, moving on. Okay, so I'm starting from right here. Maybe I should bring my, no, I'll just do it like this. So I'm gonna section this front area into 1, 2, 3, like that. Then I'm gonna grab the middle one like that. And then with the one on this end, I'm gonna grab, connected to this, this hair right here, and then I'm gonna grab the middle one to secure that with the weave and my hair, so that I can grab this end with the weave and my hair. Now once I have all of that together, I'm just gonna go over that middle section like that so that I can bring it in, and then I'm gonna grab the middle, pull the middle section, you know, outward. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. Grab, go over, and grab that section. Ooh, okay, let me just look in the mirror really quick. Okay, and then you just repeat that same pattern throughout the entire, excuse me, throughout the entire process. I brought it down a little bit, and I got it to get a little bit closer to when my hairline starts. Now, as you can see, I'm running, you know, the hair is getting shorter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed in some more hair. This is kind of hard because I'm doing this by myself, but I'm gonna try my best to explain to you how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the end of the hair, which is the gray part. And I'm just gonna, wow, this is kind of hard, you know, thinking about it is easier. It's a lot more easier than, you know, me actually doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this to the middle section right here, like that. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm gonna continue, you know, braiding. I'm gonna just take that in like that, and then grab that section like that, and then flip this in with that. I hope you catch that. Just feed it in there the best that you could. And I still need to add some more hair to the ends to make this thicker. Okay, so I'm using some mousse, just kind of slick this up, fix this up a little bit. I don't know, I done jacked it up, so hopefully I can get it right. Got to be glue. Ooh. Brush it up. Brush it up real nice. And then using my hand to keep it nice and smooth, I'm gonna stay just like that. Turn my blow dryer on. Then I'm gonna put some got to be glue. I just an empty container, and I just squeeze my got to be glue in here because I ain't got time for the tube. Loosen this up and then, you know, bring it out. Ooh, girl, no. Next side to the next. If you'd like to see more videos of me teaching you how to braid, comment down below and let me know what style or technique it is that you are interested in. And do me the biggest favor and share this video on your social media to help me grow here on YouTube. Okay, so again, I'm gonna apply the mousse first. And I'm only doing this to the front for me because this is only for this video, and I'm gonna take this thing right out. Okay, this time I'm gonna try leaving out some of my edges. You know, I ain't really got no edges, but I'm gonna leave something out and then just dry. Let me just leave some, I don't know, child. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna apply the got to be spray. Take my blow dryer and smooth it out. And then I'm gonna, you know, force some edges on my face. So using my Got To Be gel, I'm gonna try to fix up my edges.
Mommy,
Yes?
can I come in?
No?
Are you done?
No.
Okay.
All right, so I'm done, and I'm satisfied that I was able to, you know, get my natural hair to look nice and sleek and slick. But I would definitely like, if I was to do this on somebody else, I would bring this down a little bit more. It's for me to do it on myself is so much harder. Normally, like back in the days, I would do like 4 big braids and not just 2, but I just did 2 because I wanted to get this video out there and kind of show you. So that's, you know, why I did it. Let me know in the comments section below what you would have done different if you were to do it. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below this video. Yeah.